On today's Disney Roundup, new details revealed for Tiana's Bayou adventure, Halloween time festivities coming to the Disneyland Resort, and Disney gives the green light for Hocus Pocus 3. I have all that and more for you coming up right here on the DRU.
To infinity and beyond!
I'm in the mood to help you, dude. You ain't never had a friend like me.
Hey everyone, Jeff here, and welcome to the Disney Roundup, where I bring you up to date with all the latest Disney and Disney Parks news each and every single week. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to receive the Disney Roundup each and every single week. Starting off with Parks news, following Splash Mountain's final day over this past week at Disneyland Park, Disney has shared more details for Tiana's Bayou adventure. After a recent trip to New Orleans to continue to draw inspiration for Tiana's Bayou adventure, the Imagineering team for the project has announced they will be collaborating with New Orleans native artist PJ Morton and Terrence Blanchard on the music guests will hear as part of this adventure. More will be shared in the future on the progress of a new original song composed by PJ Morton and new renditions of music from The Princess and the Frog. The music will borrow from several music styles that either originated or took up permanent residence in New Orleans. Some of the brand new audio animatronics figures will bring the invigorating sounds of New Orleans to life. Speaking of which, when asked on what characters will physically be a part of the ride, Imagineer on the project Charita Carter said that they have created 17 new characters that will be a part of the story of the new attraction. Additionally, she said all of those new characters will be represented with audio animatronics. This following the news we received back in April, where Disney said there would be dozens of entirely new audio animatronic figures in the ride. Also, as I mentioned earlier, Splash Mountain at Disneyland Park closed over this past week to begin construction for the transformation into Tiana's Bayou adventure. Like at Magic Kingdom at Walt Disney World, construction walls now surround the ride with the Tiana's Foods logo around them. While a specific opening date still hasn't been announced, Tiana's Bayou adventure is currently scheduled to open on both coasts in 2024. Returning once again this fall, Disneyland Resort has revealed new details for Halloween Time and Oogie Boogie Bash. Halloween Time materializes across the Disneyland Resort starting from September 1st through October 31st. Seasonal decor and characters dressed in Halloween looks will appear in both theme parks, including the Main Street Pumpkin Festival at Disneyland Park and the transformation of Cars Land at Disney California Adventure Park into Radiator Screams. At Disneyland Park, Jack Skellington and his friends from The Nightmare Before Christmas will once again wreck the halls of Haunted Mansion Holiday. Another gingerbread house created by the Disneyland Resort culinary team will be displayed in the transformed attractions ballroom. Each night through October 31st, the Halloween Screams Nighttime Spectacular will summon supernatural projections, special effects, and music on Main Street USA, Sleeping Beauty Castle, Rivers of America, and in front of It's a Small World. On select nights, fireworks will be conjured up in the skies above to make way for Halloween Screams. The Nighttime Spectacular Wondrous Journeys is scheduled to make its final performance of the year on October 31st. At Disney California Adventure Park, 3 attractions will undergo seasonal transformations. Mater's Junkyard Jamboree in Cars Land and Luigi's Rollickin' Roadsters opt for holiday hair-raising soundtracks to become Mater's Graveyard Jamboree and Luigi's Honkin' Halloween. Guardians of the Galaxy Mission Breakout in Avengers Campus will transform into Guardians of the Galaxy Monsters After Dark. Honoring the Mexican traditions of Dia de los Muertos, the vibrant Plaza de la Familia cultural experience will bring Madrigal's heartwarming entertainment and family crafts to Paradise Gardens in Disney California Adventure Park from September 1st to November 2nd. Throughout the experience, characters and music from Coco highlight eternal love and the everlasting bonds of family. Several times per day, a musical celebration of Coco will present a talented company of folklore dancers plus mariachi singers and musicians that recount Miguel's adventure to the land of the dead. You can also meet Miguel, dance along the mariachi music, add remembrance notes to the memory wall, and more. Oogie Boogie Bash will take over DCA for more nights than ever before this year on 25 select evenings between September 5th to October 31st. Admission to the after hours event also includes entrance to DCA 3 hours before the party begins and unlimited photo pass downloads from the party. Partygoers of all ages can also delight in special offerings just for Oogie Boogie Bash, such as Mickey's Trick and Treat, Treat Show, the Frightfully Fun Parade, and the Villains Grove. Tickets will go on sale to the general public on June 29th, no earlier than 9 a.m. Pacific time. A limited amount of Oogie Boogie Bash tickets will go on pre-sale for Magic Key holders. Tickets start at $134 and go up to $189 if you go on Halloween night. Making its return for another year, Disney has brought back the Adventures by Disney Private Jet Adventure. Embark on a bucket list adventure for 75 ultimate Disney fans. This dream vacation spans 24 days and covers 6 countries, visits to 12 uniquely magical Disney theme parks, as well as 3 iconic landmarks, the Taj Mahal, Pyramids of Giza, and Eiffel Tower. Throughout the trip, you'll stay in world-class accommodations and travel in luxury aboard a VIP configured Boeing 757 with long-range capabilities that allow for direct flights to maximize your time in each destination. You'll also enjoy personal access to experts and staff who provide fun and fact-filled stories, enabling you to be immersed in every location you visit. Booking dates begin June 12th for previous Adventures by Disney guests who have traveled on 3 or more adventures, June 14th for all previous Adventures by Disney guests, June 16th for Golden Oak members, and June 19th for the general public. The trip also includes accommodations to stay at the Grand Californian, Summit Skywalker Ranch, Fairmont San Francisco, Tokyo Disneyland Hotel, Shanghai Disneyland Hotel, Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel, the Oberoi Amar Villas Arga, Marriott Mena House Cairo, Disney's Hotel New York The Art of Marvel, Disneyland Hotel Paris, and Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa. The Adventures by Disney Private Jet Adventure is $115,000 and didn't last long last year as it completely sold out during pre-sales. As the summer season is beginning at Walt Disney World, it appears Disney is only planning on still having one performance a night of Fantasmic at Hollywood Studios. Now showing on the Walt Disney World website on the Fantasmic page, listings for showings of Fantasmic only have the show having one performance a night through most of the summer. From now until the beginning of August, Fantasmic will take place each night at 9 or 9:15 p.m. The website currently only has showtimes posted through then, so if Disney currently plans to keep it at just one performance through the end of the summer, going into the fall is currently unknown. Now in company news, following the sequel that just released this past fall, Disney has announced that they are planning on making a third Hocus Pocus film. Last year, exclusively on Disney Plus, Disney released Hocus Pocus 2, the sequel to the Disney Channel original. Now, according to the New York Times, over this past week, Sean Bailey, who is in charge of live-action remakes of films for Disney, confirmed that Hocus Pocus 3 will be happening. Of course, in the sequel, Disney brought back the original cast of the Sanderson sisters, being Bette Midler, Sarah Jessica Parker, and Kathy Najimy. While it would be expected for them to return for the third movie as well, no further details or news on the film have been announced at this time. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, though, of Disney making a third Hocus Pocus movie. Alright everyone, that's all for this week's episode of the Disney Roundup. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to receive the Disney Roundup each and every single week. That's all for this week, and until next time, we'll see you on the DRU.